Hi everyone, it's Sam from the Bodycentre here. From myself and Team Bodycentre, we would like to wish you all a very, very happy new year and a massive, massive thank you for all the support throughout 2021. Also, a massive thank you to every single team member here at the Bodycentre. We really, really appreciate all your hard work throughout this year as well. Let's shoot over to some of our best bits.
Hello, this is the owner.
Yes, this is our new social media king.
Yeah.
Stop going around and get dizzy, yes.
Hi everyone, Jake from the Bodycentre here. As you can see, there's no Porsche take cam behind us, but that is what we're doing.
Does it? T-W-O spells twone, does it? Spells two.
How are you enjoying your aircon, sir? Whoa!
You give him a panel job, loveliest guy. Give him this, mate, I can't go near him.
To be fair, that is haircut of the year. I actually really like it. I like his beard as well. It's all shaved and everything.
Sharp. He looks very good on that.
Yeah, I know.
Look at that.
Either leave it in the car or on the registration. In the box. You video it.
We are in the detailer bay. Do you like our new sign?
Here he is.
Puffed up a treat, mate.
Yeah, Paul Mac.
Let's give him his new t-shirt. There you go, mate. Wait there. The soul on the back for you.